This is Ronnie Barnes with Lagrange Toyota in Lagrange, Georgia. This is a short video of a 2012 Tacoma. It is a four-wheel drive double cab with a TRD off-road package. It comes with your skid plates up under the engine and transmission. Has your fog lights, your 16-inch alloy wheels. Beautiful truck. Do a walk around. It is a 4-liter V6 with 236 horsepower and automatic transmission. Has your star safety system, which includes your ABS braking system, electronic brake distribution, along with your emergency brake assist. It has vehicle stability control, traction control, and as far as the four-wheel drive, you have your rear differential lock, and it is a limited slip differential. Has your backup camera right back here on the back. This is a one-piece composite sheet molded bed that's almost virtually dent proof and rust proof. Has your slide rails for your tie downs. Also has your power outlet, your tow package with all your connectors. The rear seat does fold forward. Plenty of room. Also has your downhill assist and your rear differential lock. Has your nice radio with XM and Bluetooth on the steering wheel. Audio controls on the steering wheel. USB port. This is a very nice vehicle. Also has your home link on your mirror, so you can program up to 3 different garage door openers, outside temperature and the direction you're going, and again the backup camera in your rearview mirror. This is a beautiful truck. Again, this is Ronnie Barnes with Lagrange Toyota in Lagrange, Georgia. Just give me a call at 1-800-226-2963.